Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Frenchie food is probably one of the most crucial decisions you'll make as a Frenchie owner, directly impacting your furry friend's health, energy levels, and overall well-being. Choosing the right food involves careful consideration of factors like age, activity level, allergies, and nutritional needs, ensuring your Frenchie receives the optimal balance of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals for a happy and healthy life. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect food for your beloved French Bulldog. Number 5. Blue Buffalo Life Protection. It starts with real deboned chicken, the number one ingredient. This high-quality protein helps build and maintain strong muscles in your canine companion. It's made with premium natural ingredients and contains no chicken or poultry byproducts, corn, wheat, or soy. It's a recipe your dog will love. This recipe provides essential proteins and carbs for energy, plus omega-3 and 6 fatty acids for healthy skin and coat. It's the perfect blend. The special Life Source bits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to support a strong immune system and overall health. It's a complete and balanced diet. You'll receive one 30-pound bag of this delicious and nutritious food, enough to keep your furry friend happy and healthy for weeks. Enjoy! While the physical packaging may differ slightly, the digital images highlight the key ingredients and benefits. You'll see exactly what you're getting. What we like. It's made with real chicken as the first ingredient and contains no artificial flavors. If your dog needs a boost of protein for strong muscles, this is a great option. This food is perfect for active dogs who need a balanced diet with natural ingredients. What people say. The lamb and brown rice recipe provides balanced nutrition, helping support muscle development and overall health. It's free from byproducts, corn, wheat, and soy, making it a great option for dogs with sensitive stomachs. Plus, added vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants support immune health and digestion. The high-quality ingredients, including real meat and whole grains, provide balanced nutrition that supports overall health. We've noticed improvements in our dog's coat condition and energy levels since switching to this food. What I love most is the all-natural ingredients, no fillers, no byproducts, just wholesome, high-quality nutrition I can trust. The consistency is always perfect, and my dog absolutely devours it every time. It gives me peace of mind knowing I'm giving my pup something that supports his health and energy levels. Number 4. Purina Pro Plan Small Breed. This food is specially designed for small breed dogs. It offers a delicious blend of textures and tastes they'll love. It features nutrient-rich kibble and tender shredded pieces. This combination provides complete nutrition. It's a high-protein formula with real chicken as the first ingredient. This helps support your dog's energy levels. It includes guaranteed live probiotics. These probiotics help support a healthy digestive and immune system. You may remember it as Savor. It's now part of the Purina Pro Plan family. This formula is formulated to meet the needs of highly active small dogs. It provides the energy they need to thrive. What we like. This food has bite-sized kibble perfect for small breeds. It's high in protein to support active lifestyles and includes probiotics for digestive health. If you have a small, energetic dog, this is a great choice for their specific needs. What people say. The pieces in this Purina Pro Plan high-protein small breed dog food, chicken and rice formula have a good texture and appearance, are easy for our little guy to chew, and it has not upset his stomach or given him any intestinal distress. He's more alert and has more energy since we switched his food to Purina. Really good dog food. My dogs are usually picky eaters and they pick this right up. I think the chicken chunks really helps, and the fact that it has probiotics integrated is another plus. Number 3. Purina Pro Plan Small Breed. It's formulated to be high in protein, perfect for your energetic small dog. The recipe uses real chicken as the main ingredient for optimal nutrition. With real chicken as the number one ingredient, it provides the high-quality protein your small breed needs to thrive. This helps support their active lifestyle. It's fortified with guaranteed live probiotics to support digestive and immune health. This helps keep your furry friend feeling their best. This food was specifically designed for the unique needs of small breed dogs. It's the perfect choice for your little one. The nutrient-dense, bite-sized kibble makes it easy for small breeds to chew and digest. This ensures they get all the nutrients they need. You may remember it as Focus Small Breed Formula. Now, it's part of the Purina Pro Plan family, offering the same great quality. What we like. It's formulated for highly active small dogs with high protein and added probiotics. The kibble size is also ideal for small breeds. If your small dog is very active and needs a nutritional boost, this is a good option. What people say. The pieces in this Purina Pro Plan high-protein small breed dog food, chicken and rice formula have a good texture and appearance, are easy for our little guy to chew, and it has not upset his stomach or given him any intestinal distress. He's more alert and has more energy since we switched his food to Purina. Really good dog food. My dogs are usually picky eaters and they pick this right up. I think the chicken chunks really helps, and the fact that it has probiotics integrated is another plus. Number 2. Nature's Recipe Small Breed Dry Dog Food. It's the perfect food for your small breed dog. Made with real chicken and wholesome ingredients, it provides complete and balanced nutrition. This recipe is grain-free, using sweet potato and pumpkin instead of corn or wheat. It's gentle on their digestive system. It starts with real chicken, providing high-quality protein for your furry friend. Your dog will love the taste. It's packed with added vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to support your dog's overall health and well-being. It's nutrition you can trust. The added fiber helps support healthy digestion and a strong immune system. Give your dog the best start to a healthy life. This 4-pound bag provides a generous supply of delicious, nutritious food. Your dog will thank you. What we like. It uses real chicken and nutrient-rich sweet potatoes instead of grains. This grain-free option is great for dogs with sensitivities. If your dog has allergies or digestive issues, this is a good alternative. What people say. Chicken is the first ingredient, providing essential protein. Sweet potatoes and pumpkin offer excellent fiber for healthy digestion. The grain-free formula is perfect for dogs with sensitivities, and it's been gentle on my dog's stomach. The small kibbles are ideal for tiny mouths. They really make it easy for her to chew and swallow. Even the Frenchie, he cannot get enough and will even eat it before he goes to bed as a snack. I am so delighted, and they all seem to be doing exceptionally well 2 weeks in. Number 1. Royal Canin French Bulldog Puppy. It's formulated to meet the specific nutritional needs of French Bulldog puppies, from 8 weeks to 12 months old. This ensures they get everything they need for healthy growth. The unique kibble shape is designed to make it easy for your Frenchie puppy to pick up and chew, promoting comfortable eating. It includes a special blend of antioxidants, such as vitamin E, to help protect their developing immune system and keep them healthy. It helps support healthy skin and a beautiful coat by reinforcing the skin barrier with essential nutrients. Your puppy will look and feel their best. This food is made with highly digestible proteins and the right amount of fiber to help reduce gas and stool odor, keeping things pleasant for everyone. Give your French Bulldog puppy the best start with Royal Canin. It's nutrition you can trust for their healthy growth and development. What we like. It's specially formulated for French Bulldogs, with kibble designed for easy chewing. It also promotes healthy skin and helps reduce gas and stool odor. If you own a French Bulldog puppy, this is the perfect choice to support their unique needs. What people say. It felt substantial and smelled good. Within just a few days, the difference is amazing. No pooping at night and down to 3 times per day of solid poop. He has a nice and shiny coat now, and the food quality and health and nutrition benefits is an A++ in my book. It's easy for her to chew, good quality, not a bad smell like other dog foods. Perfect size for her tiny little mouth to eat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.